Alright everybody, welcome to part 7 of our Combaticons review, and right now we're going to be forming up Bruticus. So, here we have all the pieces already in their combined mode, and let's get them together. We'll start off with Swindle, on the legs, and Brawl. Alright, start getting taller here. You gotta put these guys sideways, lock them in with the shoulder, and yeah, let's see. Lock them in with the shoulder. And there we go. And there's Bruticus for you. Now, as you can see, like I was telling you, the back cannons there, like Bruticus's profile is known for having bigger cannons, or taller ones. So that's where the other part where these come in handy. Basically just take these, insert them to the top there, like so. And now you have a Bruticus with taller cannons, as you can see, back cannon. So, you know, they're nice, cheap extensions that could be easily modified. Then you have the Bruticus gun here as sorts, as a Shockwave. Basically just take that handle, form it. You can give him it's like a gun, and that's you know, why they included Shockwave. Like I said, if you had those other guns, you can take them all together from the M33A box set. Start plugging them into each other. As you can see, they all combine together quite smoothly. Now you have this massive, massive gun worthy of Bruticus. Now hopefully this will plug in nicely, because I didn't sand it down properly. Yes, I should have sanded you down. I only sanded the other pieces. Alright, yeah, fits quite nicely, but again, I did not sand it down properly, so it's not pegging in well. Oh, you gotta embarrass me on camera. There we go. As you can see, you have a nice cannon for Bruticus. Let me just back. Yeah. Let's try to pose. There. Posing, posing. Yeah, okay. So I might have to steadify him. But yeah, so that's Bruticus for it, and the last of the main 4 Scramble City combiners that were released during Combiner Wars. And yeah, overall they're quite awesome. So as far as they go, you know, kind of steady for me. There we go, steady, steady. Oh, there we go. Sweet merciful day. So yeah, there's your Bruticus with minor upgrades, being those cannons in the back, and the M33A. It's like which you can get on eBay. So from the Matrix Workshop. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this look at the Combaticons, and as we might look at something similar to them again in the near future. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this little look at the Combaticons and these other pieces, and pretty soon we'll look at some of the other custom options that they made. It's like for Blast Off in the near future. So, you know, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. And check out some of the other reviews it's like that I did on this channel, like with some of the more interesting other customs, such as Turbo Masters, Junkions, Predators, Wreckers, and a whole bunch of other more fun stuff that was made. So I hope you enjoyed that little look there, and yeah, catch you guys next time.